Hello and welcome to CIS 4510, IT Project Management. IT projects are executed on a daily basis in every organization, no matter what the size of the organization is. As any other projects or any other project, the complexity and uncertainty associated with these projects, IT projects need to be managed and executed carefully. This course will address managing IT projects. My name is Professor Yusuf. I will be your instructor for this course. Please feel free to contact me via email at yusufn@daytonastate.edu or face to face or through virtual office hours using Skype or through phone. Please take the time to view, read, and understand all of the provided material. 99% of your questions are addressed in the syllabus, so please take the time to read through it. If you need any help with the add and drop process, visit daytonastate.edu/help. My office hours are posted under the announcements through the online learning system and in the syllabus. For easy access to the course material, I created a link within the welcome announcement. Click here to start. Just click on that one and that will take you to the course material under modules. All the course material are listed under modules and I'll talk about that in a minute. The textbook that will be used for this course is Information Technology Project Management, the 8th edition. That's from Cengage Learning. It was published in 2015. I think the author is working on a new one soon that will be released next year. It's by Kathy Schwalbe. The ISBN is 978 1285 45234. You can find the book at the Daytona State College bookstore, or you can buy it from online, or you can get a used copy through the adall.com website. The recommended reading material in this slide is optional. You can find it in the library, public library, or Daytona State College library. The first one is Effective Project Management, which introduces the project management concepts in general and nothing related to IT in particular. So that's more of like the management side or the business management side of it, but it will give you an idea on how to manage projects. While the second one, Managing Systems and IT Project, addresses IT related concepts but still concentrates on the software development area. In our course here, we would like to include also other areas in IT project management, not only the software part. The course is online, as you all know, so all course material will be available for you through the online learning system. Your home page will display the different courses where you can click on your course of interest to access course information. I suggest that you navigate through the different tabs to get yourself familiar with the course organization if you don't know how to use the system. In addition, I would suggest that you log in at least once every day to stay current with course requirements and changes. Sometimes changes will happen. You will see announcements sometimes that will not be sent to your email or you will not be informed, but at least when you get into the website, you will see some kind of notification on the side. You can see the calendar, the due dates, and what's required for that day or this week. To view the course material, navigate through the different tabs on the course homepage under the Falcon Online or the learning system, all course material, including assignments, discussions, quizzes, presentation, lectures, and supplemental material, have been posted under the course content tab through different modules. Uh, to minimize the navigation, to minimize you going through the different tabs, what I did, I added all the course material under the course modules. So you will see different modules, and under that you will see the assignments, the discussion, the exams, everything that you need under that. When you click on it, it will take you to the discussion, or when you click on an assignment, it will take you to assignment. And you can view the requirements for that assignment and the submission process. Um, you need to access your online courses on a daily basis and check for the latest updates and due dates. You have a calendar, as I said. It will be on the right hand side. Check your calendar for any due dates or anything that you need to submit. Do not forget to finish your icebreaker this week as soon as possible, which will be due by Sunday. I have the also the schedule that will be posted, and I think I made it due Sunday, so you will have time. If you are working all week, you have time to do it during the weekend. It will be graded out of 10. Failing to complete the icebreaker could lead to purging you from the course. What we are trying to do, we are trying to see if you are available, if you are in class, and that's why we have this icebreaker. You work on the icebreaker, you post your discussion in that area, and I will know that you are in the class and you are interacting with us. Otherwise, I have to purge you from the class and report that you are not attending. To ensure participation and understanding for the course material, all students are required to complete a weekly discussion form, which should be posted by Sunday of each week. Again, I've made it Sunday, so you will have a chance, if you are working during the week, to work on it during the weekend and submit it by Sunday. So make every attempt to post your initial response by the middle of the week. If you can, it's easier if you can do it at the middle of the week, and then reply to at least one post from your classmates before the end of the submission period. So even if you are working during the week, if you can post on Friday, and then you will have 2 days to reply to others and get the feedback on yours. You need to answer the same questions every week and after reviewing the course material. So first, review the course material, see if you have any questions, and then you will answer the questions that will be repeated every week. If you can reply to your classmates, you need to reply in a professional way, you need to reply in a respectful way, and assist them, so you will have some kind of collaboration, communication, understanding for the course material. So sometimes you will see a question or a post that you would like to answer. You can answer that, and then if there are any additional comments, I will add it to your discussion. If you missed the submission period for that discussion, your grade will be 0. It cannot be emailed, or it cannot be replaced or submitted later on. Sunday means Sunday. If you did not submit, your participation for that week is 0. All communication should be through online channels such as email, discussions, or Skype. But also I encourage that you come to my office face to face, ask me questions, or you can Skype with me if you can't come, or you live in a different state or a different area. So you can use the virtual office hours to communicate with me, or you can call me through phone. I would like to keep in touch with you. If you need any help, I will be more than glad to assist you in anything. If you write an email, your email message should be written in professional words. Um, Chat or text language will not be accepted. I would like you to use the word LOL or other words that you use in the chat or text in the email. Um, I would like from you to learn how to uh, professionally write email messages, and that will train you on how to get with the workforce when you graduate and communicate with your managers. Again, I encourage you to come to my office, see me if you need, or call me. Um, Communication face to face will clear many things that you might need to ask or talk about, and I will be more than glad to assist you, and use the office hours to schedule an appointment or come or walk in, and I will be glad to help. Assignment submission should be through Falcon Online. Do not email any assignment unless you've been asked to do so. Late assignments will not be accepted. If you have an excuse, you send me the excuse. I will give you a permission to submit, and I will tell you what to do. If you don't have an excuse, late assignments will be graded as 0. To submit your assignment, you need to use a format. The format should be the assignment number. For example, here A1, and then the course number, and then your last name. So it's assignment number underscore course number underscore last name, your last name. And that will assist in knowing which assignment, which course are you in, and who's submitting that assignment. The group project will be divided into 3 group project assignments that should be submitted over the progress of the course. Although it will be collaborative teamwork, everyone in the team should submit his or her own copy of the group assignment. I don't want the leader of the group to submit the assignment for the group. I want each and every one of you to submit their own assignment. Points will be subtracted for failing to submit your own copy of the project assignment. I want you to be active within the group, to talk to the group, communicate with the group, and then submit your own copy. The group assignments should be in Microsoft Word format or PDF format. The PDF format is allowed but not preferred. The naming format for the project assignment, again, that's good to have a format, which is the project assignment number, the course number, and your last name. And again, points will be subtracted for improper naming format. The project report should be submitted with the proper grammar and correct spelling, and you need to make sure that the report is written in a professional way. Now, to help you with any writing, you can see the College Writing Center, and they can assist you in better writing and knowing how to write the proper report based on the course requirements. points will be subtracted for improper writing. We have a personal or a person that will be on campus, on the ATC campus, to assist you in writing. So whether you go to the main campus or come to the ATC campus, we have somebody from the writing center to assist you in writing your report. For exams, there will be two exams through the whole semester, midterm and the final. Both exams will have true, false, and multiple choice questions. The final will include all chapters within the course material. You will be able to start your exam. Once you start your exam, you have 120 minutes to finish your exam. You will have 50 questions to finish. So basically you have 2 minutes for each question, and then you have at the end 20 minutes to review your questions, other questions, to make sure that they're being submitted correctly. For the final, you will not be able to finish the final or to start the final before finishing your peer evaluation. And that's another issue with the project, that I would like you to evaluate your peers on parts in their participation in the project and project assignments. So by the end of the semester, you will submit that evaluation first, and that will allow you to take the final. If you did not submit the evaluation, you will not be allowed to take the final. So make sure to finish the peer evaluation first. The grading for the assignments, it will be 20% of the total grade. For the project assignments, 35% of the total grade. 5 of it will be for peer evaluation. So the 5% of the total grade will affect you and can move you a grade letter from C to B or from B to A if you did not participate with the team. So make sure to participate with the team assignments, communicate with the team, and stay in touch to make sure that you are doing your job in that project. For the weekly participation discussion, it's 5%, and again the 5% will affect you or affect your grade, and can move you a letter grade if you did not participate in the course and did not review the material. The midterm is 15% and the final exam is 20%. The goal of this course is to introduce you to the concepts, methodologies, techniques, and tools of managing the software development, the hardware, computer networks, and other, IT projects. After completing this course, we're hoping that you will be able to collect project requirements, analyze collected data, perform feasibility study, identify the risk that will be associated with the project, plan for a good execution for that project, then close the project and deliver the requirements to the customer by the end of that project. You should be able to utilize the skills gained from other courses to plan and execute an IT project. If you took networking before, if you took database, if you took web design or web development, all that will assist you in executing that project. So it's good to have the team with a diverse background that will work with each other to accomplish the project. Working in teams, collaborating and communicating in a professional way should again give you the best outcome or results or the right deliverables at the end of the project. So try to find a team or form a team with diverse or different backgrounds in the IT area. You will learn IT project management concepts, methodologies, tools, and techniques that will be employed to execute a successful IT project. You will be able to identify the resources. You will be able to estimate the time, estimate the cost. Um, you can estimate how much time do you need to accomplish a certain task, what will be the cost of accomplishing that task based on the number of hours that will be spent on accomplishing that task. The topics that will be covered will address collecting project information, analyzing, evaluating of the requirements, developing the plan, execute the project, including identifying the resources needed, the duration of each task, the cost associated with each task. In addition, you will address the uncertainty associated with the IT projects and the risk stemmed from such uncertainty. Risk management, change management, and stakeholder management are very important parts of the IT project execution process. So those are things that we need to learn how to do. We're good in the technical part. We're good as IT technicians or engineers, but we need to learn how to manage these projects properly. To manage these projects, we can use some software packages that will assist me in organizing my project on the planning process and other things. One of the software packages that can be used to do that is Microsoft Project, and we can also use Microsoft Visio, and both of those packages are available for free for the students. So you can get your free copy from Michelle Belfort. She's at the ATC campus, second floor, room 207, and I provided the extension and the email in this slide so you can communicate with her. She will add you to the list of students and she will give you an access to the website where you can download. You don't have to come. You can just email her and she will provide you with a link where you can download the software for free. It's for you. So you can use it, utilize it in managing IT projects. That will be all for this session. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me via any of the available channels for you. Thank you and have a great day.